Hi everybody, we have this question. If xy positive yz positive xz is equal to 0, we are expected to find the value of x positive y over z positive y positive z over x positive x positive z over y, right? So we need to find the value of this particular quantity. So foremost, we are given this, right? So this is the solution. Given that xy positive yz positive xz is equal to 0, so this would mean I can actually rewrite from this, from the above, we have xy positive yz is equal to negative xz. Also, we can have yz positive xz, you can flip this to the other side, is equal to negative xy, and we have xy positive xz is equal to negative yz. So all of these conditions which we have placed here is possible. Why is it possible? Because of the fact that we've been given that xy positive yz positive z x or xz is equal to 0, right? Having got that, let us consider the given question. Now let us consider x positive y over z positive y positive z over x positive x positive z over y. Now what I wish to do is I would like to multiply the first term by xy and divide it by xy. The second term I wish to multiply it with yz and divided by yz. The third term I wish to multiply by xz and divide by xz. So this is equal to, if you were to distribute this quantity xy inside, you get x squared y positive x times y squared divided by xyz positive, distribute yz, you get y squared z positive y times z squared divided by xyz positive, distribute xz, you get x squared z positive xz squared divided by xyz. Now I wish to take xyz as the LCM, so this would give me squared y positive xy squared positive y squared z positive yz squared positive x squared z positive xz squared, right? Now what I wish to do, I would like to club this x squared y with x squared z. So having clubbed these two together, let me just go up and club y squared x with y squared z. So these two are clubbed, so the remaining term is going to be yz squared positive xz squared divided by xyz. So now I wish to take x out from the first quantity. That would give me xy positive xz. I would like to take y out. That would give me yx positive yz. I would like to take z out. That would give me yz positive xz divided by xyz. Now xy positive xz, what is that? Xy positive xz, that's going to be negative yz, right? And this one, yx positive yz, what is that? Yx, xy positive yz is negative xz, and you got yz positive xz is equal to negative xy. If I were to take this as 2, therefore 2 can be rewritten as, in place of this, I'm going to substitute negative yz. In place of this, I'm going to substitute this. In place of this, I'm going to substitute this is yz positive xc, yz positive xc. So I will have to substitute this one, negative xy divided by xyz. So this is going to be negative xyz negative, this is actually yx positive yz, that's going to be xz, this is xz. So this is going to be xyz negative xyz divided by xyz. So if you were to take the negative sign out, I would get xyz 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 3 times xyz divided by xyz. So xyz xyz gets cancelled, giving me negative 3. So therefore we got an important expression. What is that? X positive y over z positive y positive z over x positive x positive z over y is equal to negative 3 if xy positive yz positive zx is equal to 0. So that's a beautiful result, and that's a good place for us to stop. Thank you everybody.